What is going on, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Welcome back. I'm back in California, and it's raining. It's raining and cold in California. I don't know. Hope you guys had a happy holidays. Hope everything was well and all your stuff. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all the good stuff. Kind of got a lot going on, and I'm gonna open this while I talk to you because I don't really. I'll show you what this in a minute. This is actually an LED headlight set from one of my sponsors, AUXBEAM, which they've been pretty good to me. They send me a lot of stuff, so it's pretty cool. It is their new slim design, so I'm hoping it fits behind the headlight bracket. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I put in my, what am I trying to say here? LEDs in my other truck, and I had to modify the housing for the fans on the back. I had to cut them, so I'm hoping that these ones fit. These were actually sent to me for free, so there is a 15% off, I believe, coupon code down below. And you know, they're sponsoring this video pretty much for, or at least sponsoring me putting lights in my truck. So we are going to put these in real quick, which I'm sure I've showed you guys how to put in headlights before. But anyways, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some things. So I know I brought it up that I had gotten a new turbo for this truck, which is not really new, but I do have a new turbo for it that I want to install. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. These are pretty stout, like solid metal design, braided cable, plug in. These look like super easy, super good. We'll see how they are. Now I have HIDs in this truck, so we'll see if it makes an actual difference. But there is an instruction manual, but we don't need it. And just so you guys know, if they don't work, you flip the plug 180 degrees or whatever, so they work. Anyways, so with a lot going on in life and everything, and me transitioning out of the Marine Corps, which a lot of you guys know, I have decided that we're probably not going to work on this truck too much. Now, if you remember, you just pop these out. Oh, come on, I can do it. Take these out. You can pull the grill out too. Pop the grill. And then your headlight's supposed to come out. So anyways, we got our HID wires all kind of stuffed back here. I don't know, I didn't install these ones, so looks like the ballast is stuck. Anyways, what I was saying with getting out of the military and everything going on, I don't think I'm going to be doing too much performance upgrades to this, just for the reason of kind of durability, I guess, or reliability. So, with that being said, we may get another project truck, or we may finish up the orange truck, which we are going to be driving today. My buddy Jake's coming down. We're going to go to pick and pull and get him some parts. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep the stuff in the transmission and rebuild it. I am going to do it. Like, I know it's a lot of money, guys. Like, rebuilding a transmission still, even me doing it, is like about $2 to $3 grand depending on the parts I get. So I will do that. But it just takes time, so I know I promised that, and I'm still gonna do it. And obviously I'm going home this year, and I'm opening a shop. Like, I'm opening a diesel performance shop, so we're gonna be doing so much more stuff. And look at this, I didn't even realize that it does have the fans in it to keep it cool, and they're in the backside in this sleek design. I'm super stoked to put these in. Let's just do it. That way I can get out of the rain. People are like looking at me funny and stuff. I usually don't vlog in like public areas too much for that reason, but it is what it is. These have a nice O-ring on them, and we're gonna plug it in the normal way and see if it works. Turn the headlights on. Boop. Okay. We're cooking with peanut oil. Now you can see how white that is. Well, this one's pretty. This one was good. So this one, that one I actually took out was kind of yellowish. Oh, speak of the devil, there he is. You can park wherever. I'm just swapping my headlights real quick.
That's fine. I'm probably gonna turn around and park in front of your truck. Your orange one?
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna take that today anyway, so.
Okay.
I just got LEDs for this, so. Yeah, the AUXBEAM sent me some. I got discount codes and stuff, so we're putting them in. I'm seeing how they work.
Okay.
But
I'll turn around real quick up here.
okay. So anyways, so this is looking pretty bright. Obviously we're gonna come check them out at night, but you can just tell, like, this kind of has like a, it's probably hard to tell on camera, but it's kind of like a hazy, these headlights suck too, I need new ones, but this one's a very clear white. Now people always like high beam me, and especially in the orange truck, because I have the orange truck's probably a lot worse because it's so tall. My headlights are turned all the way down, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. I like to see where I'm going, especially with this truck with tint and stuff. Hard to see. I'm gonna finish wrapping up these headlights. We're gonna go to Pick and Pull, grab him some door handles and shit for his truck, and then we'll keep on with our day. All right, guys. So one super cool thing. Don't mind the zip tie. I'm taking that off. One super cool thing that these LED lights from AUXBEAM has is they actually have a positive, and I don't know if you can see that, a positive and a negative sign on here, so you can look at your like yellow wire. I thought I was putting them on the right way because of the little tab, but these ones have tabs on both sides, so whatever way your thing's wired, you're in luck. And then just put the brown, or the black's usually the ground, so put that on your negative side and it should be good to go. So super clean, super easy to install. Like, we don't have to like trim anything, so these are a lot better than the other options I had. So I'm gonna finish up this installation and we're gonna head over to pick your part, or whatever it's called. Alright, I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to film in here, but we're looking for some door handles, so we're gonna see if we can find some. What'd you say, M? Yeah, here's M. Unless this is all import, it might be the other way. Are you sure you're looking at the right one?
Yeah, this is the one on the Oceanside.
No, I know. I wonder if it's like across the way. Might be down the other section where all the Jeeps and everything were. You know, like import versus domestic kind of deal. See if they have a TDI Jetta and steal the motor out of it. So we dismantled some doors to steal some handles, and then we were trying to figure out how we're gonna not dismantle his doors completely and fix them. But we got some new handles. Yeah, it was pretty easy. Just snagged them. I don't know if you guys have like 90s Tahoes or Chevys, these little like cast aluminum things. Snapped them, so trying to fix these. So I'm gonna say this real quick, and I noticed it because it's raining. We're driving the ZF6 truck, you know. So the distance I'm keeping between me and the car in front of me is not an open invitation for you to like merge in front of me and cut me off. Like, that's so I can stop. So for those people who just like want to, you know, they really need to get in front of you, like, I'm just gonna hit you, because who knows, like this truck doesn't have ABS, like it doesn't stop good. Like, I mean, I'm doing everything on my part to be safe, so when you like creep up on, like, cut me off and like try to like fill in the gap, you can't just wait. Like, if I hit you, I hit you. I mean, I wouldn't want to get hit by this truck, but that's just me. I don't really know. Teach their own, I guess. Alright guys, so I know the lighting's probably terrible, but I need to end this video. It started raining, it got dark, really not ideal times to be working on anything, so probably gonna wrap up fixing everything tomorrow on Jake's truck. But as far as that goes, I hope you guys enjoyed the little light install. We're gonna go take a look at them real quick, but other than that, like, pretty easy day. Glad to be back. Thank you guys. Thanks to all the new subscribers, welcome. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and drop a like. It helps us out. It helps us know that we're putting out good content. So thank you guys. I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna go edit this video and get some sleep.